Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I already have WhatsApp installed in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Let's say this person Greg is bugging me way too much and I want nothing to do with him. The only option I find is kind of blocking him. So let's look at how to block this person. Simply click and hold on the person and something like this will open up. On the top, you will be provided by many options like pen, delete and everything. Simply go to the rightmost section and here's the button with the 3 dots. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Now you can view contact, mark as read, select all and such, but right now we simply want to block. Here the last option is block. Let's simply click on it and it's gonna ask for your confirmation. If you really want to block him, hit on block, else hit on cancel. You also have the option to report your contact. Once everything's okay, simply hit on block and there you go, you have successfully blocked a person on WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it. That's how you block on WhatsApp mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.